What is Kraken email address format? Hook, have you ever wondered why some email addresses look so mysterious? Like they're from a secret society or something? Well, today, we're diving into the world of Kraken email addresses. Context: now, Kraken isn't just a mythical sea monster. It's also a popular email service, known for its privacy and security features. But what sets Kraken email addresses apart from the usual Gmail or Yahoo ones? Let's break it down. Kraken email address structure. Username: this is the part you choose, much like your username on social media. It can be anything you like, but try to keep it memorable and professional. At Kraken.com, this is the domain part, which is the same for all Kraken email addresses. Example: email address removed. Why Kraken email addresses are different. Privacy: Kraken is known for its commitment to user privacy. They don't sell your data to third parties, and they have strict policies in place to protect your information. Security: Kraken uses advanced security measures to keep your account safe from hackers. They have two-factor authentication, spam filters, and other security features. Customizability: you can customize your Kraken email experience in various ways, from choosing your own theme to setting up filters and rules. How to create a Kraken email address. Visit the Kraken website, go to Kraken.com and click on the Sign Up button. Enter your information, fill in the required fields, including your desired username, password, and other personal details. Verify your email. Kraken will send a verification email to the address you provided. Click on the link in the email to confirm your account. Benefits of using a Kraken email address. Professional look: a Kraken email address can give you a more professional and sophisticated look. Enhanced privacy: if you value your privacy, a Kraken email address is a great option. Security: Kraken's security measures can help protect your account from hackers. Common questions about Kraken email addresses. Is it free? Yes, Kraken offers a free basic plan with limited storage and features. They also have paid plans for users who need more storage or advanced features. Can I use it for business? Yes, Kraken is a suitable option for both personal and business use. How do I recover my password? If you forget your password, you can follow the password recovery instructions on the Kraken website. Kraken versus other email services. Comparison with Gmail: while Gmail is a popular choice, Kraken offers stronger privacy and security features. Comparison with Outlook: Outlook is another popular option, but Kraken may be a better choice for users who prioritize privacy. Tips for choosing a Kraken username. Keep it memorable. Choose a username that you can easily remember. Avoid personal information. Don't include your full name or other personal details in your username. Be professional. If you're using your Kraken email address for business, choose a professional-sounding username. Conclusion. So, there you have it. Kraken email addresses are a great option for users who value privacy, security, and a professional look. By following the steps we've outlined in this video, you can easily create your own Kraken email address and start enjoying its benefits. Call to action. If you're ready to take the next step and create your own Kraken email address, click on the link in the description below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech tips and tutorials. Closing. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.